Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to move a chart in Excel. Excel worksheets containing a large amount of data can be challenging to comprehend. In such cases, using charts to graphically represent data makes it easy to compare and analyze the data. If you have a chart in your Excel sheet, you can move them between sheets depending on your purpose. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Let us first see how to move a chart within the same worksheet. If you want to move the sheet, first, click on the chart. Once you click on the chart, you can see the borders and the anchor points highlighted. Now, hover over the borderline of the chart. You can see the mouse pointer change into a four-sided pointer. Now, left-click, drag, and move the chart to your desired position. Additionally, when you hover over the anchor points, you can see the mouse pointer change to a double-sided pointer. Now, you can click and drag to resize the chart. Sometimes, you might not want the chart and the data to be on the same sheet. In such cases, you can move the chart to a new worksheet. First, click on the chart you want to move. This opens the Chart Design main menu ribbon. Under the Locations section, click on the Move Chart option. This in turn opens the Move Chart dialog box. Under the Choose where you want the chart to be placed section, click on Object In. From the drop-down, choose the sheet to which you want to move the chart. When you click OK, the chart will be moved to a new worksheet. If you want to solely divert the user's attention to the chart when presenting, then moving your chart away from the grid lines and data might do the job. Here, you can move the chart to a new chart sheet from your ordinary worksheet. To move an existing chart to a new chart sheet, first click on the chart. Click on the Chart Design main menu ribbon and select the Move Chart option. This opens the Move Chart dialog box. Under the Choose where you want the chart to be placed section, select New Sheet. You can rename the sheet using the text box. Click OK. This moves the selected chart to a new chart sheet. Instead of just using various methods to move the chart, you can simply copy and paste the chart to a new worksheet. One advantage of this method is that you may retain the copy away from the original data. To move the chart, you must create a new sheet first. Now, navigate back to the sheet containing the chart. Next, you need to copy the chart you want to move. This can be done by right-clicking on the chart and tapping the Copy option, or you can just copy by selecting the graph and using Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Now to paste the chart you have copied, you can either paste it in by right-clicking and tapping the Use Destination Theme icon from the Paste special menu, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+V on the keyboard. And that is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to move a chart to a new sheet in Excel in an easy way. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.